For the past little bit, I've been looking for a project to start on my channel. Since my all-road is running great, it's not breaking, nothing needs to be fixed on that car, I've been looking for a project to keep me over and maybe even make some videos on. Originally, I wasn't planning on making this my project, but since I'm working on it, I thought I might as well do a little video series on it. So, this is the project. It is a velo solex 3800. I have no idea what year it's from, but it's pretty old. It's French, and I want to do a rebuild / restore series on this bike because I find it pretty cool. It has a 49cc 2-stroke engine up here with 0.8 horsepower, so she rips. And other than that, it's basically just a normal bicycle. It does not have any gears. It's not special. It just has the little engine in the front and a seat with suspension. So I thought to myself, this is a little project, a nice little project, especially with an engine. That's important for me. So I thought, let's do a rebuild series on it. I mostly want to do it in terms of a time lapse with explaining what I'm going to do next in between. So it won't be like my usual videos where you just see me talking and explaining stuff and then doing it. This is more like, oh, today I'm going to take apart the bike and get it ready for paint. And then a lot of time lapse of me getting it ready to paint. Other than that, there isn't much left to talk about. So why don't we just take it for a test drive? Alright, now that you saw it drive, I can tell you that it's really fun to sit on it and ride along with it. I tried it out without exhaust before, and it's even more fun because it's just pluppering along, making stupid loud noises, but not going anywhere. It's super slow, but really fun. It's in rough shape right now. Like, all of this is just terrible paint. The exhaust is just flying off, has 2 rust holes in it. The engine kind of runs, but not perfectly yet. The paint is really rough all around. As you can see, it basically looks like we just took it out of a barn, which I basically did. I started working on this, and I thought to myself, if I can get the engine running, then it will be worth doing a complete rebuild on it. And then as soon as I started the engine, I thought to myself that I have to do a rebuild series on this because this is just so cool. And so yeah, here we are. I'm super excited for this rebuild. The videos are going to take me quite a little bit, so I will take a bit longer between videos since it is just time-lapsing and doing a lot of stuff in one video. So I hope that you will like the series. I'm working on fixing it more and more every day. I'm also learning with it. So I'm super excited for this rebuild. I'll start working on it right away, and I will see you in a couple of weeks on the first video as soon as I feel like I have enough content to make a full video out of it. But until then, I hope you have a nice day. See you around.
Right, see if he can make it up the hill. There he goes. Look at him go. What a world champion. Look at him go. Oh, he stole it.
Ran out of gas.
Are you sure you ran out of gas? You didn't just stall it because it has no power?
I lifted it up and it didn't have any power.
I see. So it's not actually that gas efficient.